Question number 8. Which pair of integers, when combined, equal 0? So if you think about what does this word mean here, when combined. So think about that as when added together, and then we have this other piece here, equal 0. So we can kind of think about it as we're adding these two together. So something plus something else equals 0. So we want to know which of these pairs equals 0. So if we added -4 and 0, nope, that would equal -4. So we can cancel that one out. How about -1 and +1? -1 plus +1 does equal 0. So this would be our answer. -1 and -10, nope. 3, -1, nope. Right? So the same number, positive and negative, always equals 0. So if we were going to add -10 plus 10, we would get 0. -8 plus 8, 0, right? 1,000 plus -1,000 equals 0. So anytime you have a pair of opposites, you get the answer of 0.